Taxes was feeling trapped. Now Taxes is filing from anywhere with the support of a trusted Canadian TurboTax expert. So you can do your taxes whenever, wherever. And today, that just might be from bed. That's more like it. Now this is Taxes. Intuit TurboTax.